the network and I'll cut it or do my time. Yeah, Abusia. Yasia, but we find channel. I don't know what happened. Network and it just went off. So there's a restart now. It's a didn't go do. Tina make us say, baby, I watch you free now. You just write this. I'm watching from the UK, maybe London, whatever. But who you hear them say I'm watching from Sunyani. Okay, good. Until baby, I watch you free. You just type it. We just want to know. The observer make us say, yeah, damu you know say. With the free food distribution, I am still doing it with the crew, Ferry, Bismarck, and all other members of my support to your medical distributor and your crew. Did I make us say that the crew now market women while around the planet better more? Before they shall say, now a Kayu for no more, and a street boys no more. But say a couple, you know, one hour, people say market women always a line, okay. So, we still working on that. Very nice. You know, say, your call now your chair and now buy, you feel very happy within your heart that you've been able to put some smile on the faces of other people. And I think say Koswaye and Yadia Ibidai. You because why you until say be a minisika met to be one majai. But as it is in the you better try every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, we will go ahead and do the free food distribution. And you shall see you shall say 300 plates. And I buy as a no buy 600 plates in a coy. And I taught drinks so you taught drinks a come home. See, I say every time you drinks 500 and a beco. A week you hear drinks 1,500 bottles. Because you're going to say every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday in your pie, you have mad drinks in addition to it. Drinks in your 500. You know, you acquire a day, 600 plates coy, If you know any drinks in it, because drinks in it, you're told to go, but the other your money, it depends a bit to me too, a bit to an eye, depending on need to on it, number of 500 now, your pen money to go up to 600. The Gusua, and into the manual will be or supplier drinks, the drinks, and I'm saying, back 1 city, our wholesale until you talk 1,500 for a week. That for the drinking, because Monday 500 bottles, Wednesday 500 bottles, and then Friday 500 bottles. Until you hear 1,500 bottles of drinks, those drinks on motor or criminal. Criminals on 1 city, 20 pesos, and then 140 pesos bad. Wholesale they buy about 1 city. Drinks you hear 1,500 a little. We buy. And I'm mono so I'm mono, I'm say 2 bags, 50 kilos, you know 2, not say half a couple. That's like the whole week in I'm say 300 and something kilos. Okay, 300 and something kilos. And unfortunately, your local rice beer very nice. In fact, I never knew say your local rice, at the pricing foreign rice, I never knew. And until you remember about whatever my say or they support it. Now you know then I told the people say no, we have to shift to the local rice. Local rice and a destined foreign rice. I never knew. Rice I make a penny dinner one day now my camera said too nice. And into that I made a quiet and catch the cooks and they say, oh Monica craving on one testing here the way at Tianans and the main day not true. So I went there on Monday in the morning. Almost a Prabhu, a fine crossing back when I know. The taste is so nice, and I know also anything. Omoya jollof, very nice. You almost a bit to me and come up with local rice. The amame nipana or the mine, and I can say on Tombi mine every week be a living 300 kilos. Because everyone's ever 100 kilo every day. Say Monday 100 kilo, Wednesday 100 kilo, and then Friday 100 kilo. A week in living 300 kilos. Also, by what and so you say I have 50 kilo no, but I could be I think 250, and I think 250 or so. Do here the whole week in so I'm also a big here, so being here more than 1,500 Ghana cities. They can't drink around 3,000 and no. And I've so I'm one mobile tons of vegetables, and some more 2,000 to no money in. And on my normal so many said definitely. Obia wa busianti na so pe bibi kaka dem obia and our police for am here so unzo mu genje no every day bia we are me mom because amaduma nka omo aduma mind omo nya ho me mom 250 Ghana cedis every day because bia we 8 bia omo 6 bia omo dependent me mom 250 so omo so mfa ni bibi do check here a week I am Monday, Wednesday and Friday and we spend not less than 7,000 to 8,000 Ghana cedis. It's come with but I feel say, and the some people are happy that this thing is happening. And I hope say but it is my desire and say making me on to tell me even though lockdown never travel all that, but I wish say making me and my shall see some few members have supported one or the other. I think say very good, we are very grateful. But difficult, you understand, is that every week you have to provide something like 7,000 to 8,000 Ghana cedis just to prepare that. Especially, the drinks back home, the drink come one even and one quite 500 plates. Now the drinks 500 come. You can see say 500 people na me de me ni yempo ya nkran na ya omo ba ho. There are small children as a me ma na me show omo say akra we ya ba, how will you feel? Omo condition omo wumi. I had you know, sit down and think about it. Tell what ma will feel, how I will feel your mom, how I will could your money, all that. Now go chrome same crime there 2 years, 3 years, or show me the room how I'm want say feeling all that because my parents need baby or done all that, you know. They are very heartbreaking. But so it makes me feel happy, say at least the little we can do to support, you know, let us go ahead and do it. You know. They be everywhere in the world and they do that every day. I'm friend of Food for Life. Everywhere they go out, everywhere. Even during this pandemic, you know, Oko UK, Oko Germany, Oko US, Oko India, China, baby, the devotees are distributing free food all the time. They also they beat me and about 3 weeks, 3 days in a week, you know. In Gusway and Yanjay. Makasa 2 things, and I may jai star Adina. First thing they say your corner yentimi am conducting ye amani panel. Social distancing now, Abanaka see this no, Yentimia and Yana be a police for Antimia wire to that point. I don't think you met me die. And as they be a do by minister meet me continue. With these 2 reasons, because idea we will keep on doing on sometime my younger son, it be a better say die. But I tell you, sir, you will feel very happy after you go there and distribute food to about 500 people, 600 people. Obi abenya mo ba kono wanya drink kakra na wia no even no mpa visa o mudi do mo to no to pure water no ne or the saying those polythene bags and all that, you know. At least ever bo mo kakra nto take say aduane no kra na say okoto ne ba bia be say 5 to 7 cities and na e bia drink so bia 1 city 50 pesos nti no onya we ya obetimi amanage na wia na wa ba o sika bia obetimi akipo no and almost o mo ni aduma bia ya o mo so asa ba o pa ne amamfo abia make am money na mkeke no, it will support them some or the other. Say sika amu edu kakra dey, but I feel say it is putting some smile on the faces of some people. So yabekoso na yaye. But we me ba mo nchen a me pese me ni mo di nkomo bi about the importance of individuals in times like this. Ebra ye wo mo se sie no enye brepa, obi abeka kire say enye brepa. And you're papa in the sense, say, the normal things are years some few months ago, no, those things in yetimi yebu. There were some few normal things and they yetimi yet. Moana Ayanamoko Beach every weekend, another Biotuko Beach, you know, you cannot go there again. Moana Edru Sunday, Saturday, Wednesday, Friday, Namoko, sorry, Moko all night, and all those things, you know, you cannot do it anymore. Mo mosque eko frenyame, mo temple eko kwaye mo worship. This time around no wuntimi nye. Enya no nko musicians are omo organize events omo ko boss no man na di public hia so ko National Theatre no Independence Square all those now. You cannot do it anymore. Amanfo amko yie, mo ye yie, mo organize yie, wuntimi nye biem. Ntina yesi ye need normal times. Because there were so many normal things and there some few months ago as you say you didn't have you. So now on the yen chance to say you bet me be any free the. See, an intelligent person try as much as possible to learn something from every situation. Okay? Or be intelligent, you know. Even the so-called difficult situations in a bar, or who is an opportunity for him or her, you know, to move on in life. Okay? Obi biya na oye very intelligent no. Ade biya to a esa wo try so betimi capitalize on the difficulty and now for making some progress. So situations like this, you know, for us to be able to develop, you know, we need to see the importance of individuals around us. Say abi before ye biya yetimo dwin kwa chini pa yi such situation here, see, even though there was so many economic implications and so much health implications there, but Africans, especially Ghana, you better take key advantage. Now you timid, I am normal. At the end of the day, no, you better say, I didn't see a pandemic and yet, but yet you benefit from. Then in America, First thing they say, yeah, second high where many of our things in Inano, yeah, imported. Almost everything be an imported bagana. But pandemic, we will say countries are almost supply of those things and only air so far. Many of these so-called countries now, many of them are under lockdown. A bit more almost what directives are as follows our social distance and all those things. And you know, if you some not call factory crack provided no mama yenebino, and yadia air cost. Says ya oha, and we are nipping no one. Ghana high import to a year money and money, all those things, sugar no my import to Ninano. So we have to say, a no man, a ya import to the Abu Hodu Bonana, a Busuna ye issue. Because they say no, a man for now on produce those things and I'm a import in Pono to do and said that in Yajuman. To what it means in the say, the import about my DVR, a man no way a day crack. Because, hey John, that is saying, because a bedroom baby no, so more and our hair. Maybe a China phone at the morning, but China phone and Cassatun quite more processes I am on the other. Then, obey the way you be. And you don't go out. Sorry, PPE, a nose mask, and all the hands sanitizer, we did be a name import to everything. By a bedroom baby, I didn't pass a CA, you know. Obams again ha bebre yes our hand sanitizers ni bi so hwa yes nose mask you kokroma and tell be pam bi and untin say you take advantage of this situation and no ma bebre be ya de yen say ntimu nya and untin na ye import free abonten no ye be sha say we go into the production of those things you know. So at the end of the day no obam say yen ye be benefit more. I say omo wo aboche na omo tumpon no na ba bia yenya fa ya adwen koye ye say yanka say betra say betumi develop aduru a betumi aboa ama yenso ye citizens omo ya really been betumi afa ase aboa omo hwe me as I'm speaking with you say me recommend doctor ana say me recommend drugstore ana say pharmacy shop amawa na bibi to say bia wanya accident bi moja A2 as say your surgery ade bia ye emergency na metro say fa hospital enye sadia the best way of betumi dey cure ho no local medication ye man say obi anya accident na moja A2 no a wo hia say instantly no ye babo de moja na watini anya amode. I don't know the call hospital. That's okay. Obehana obi akola se preocupe no obi bia ni ho benwa o woni mdi obetimi a revive ni pana monfanko hospital. But say what ho na yade bi malaria bi na ayawo ebi kra enya yi ni wadi ebi kra make wo piles bi ebi make wo migraine bi a me catch say the best thing na me recommend am no local medication. Because what I know is that local medication, you know, any side effect. Side effect, so when you not acquire local medication, any side effect. And then we will picture be our Facebook. Now will be done in my man. So now or they bent to her. We need bent to her. Why you be true now? They bent to her son. Bent to her. Okay, the doctor be said WHO4 or money day or money to say and so be bent to her. I don't think that they will believe in that. But all of us young crab almost saying ya dear babos and papa no mamia ya dro obi bia be you know ya call the bent where I shot near south you really are also so nice akoko to ha uja ona wi akwa no no why the what I'm saying is that natural medication that is the best thing I would recommend for everybody. But unfortunately they say we are not be we are here emraki kan no mo to the point say say ade abai say I'm paying for your money according to herbal doctors in the home. Say the way at WHO can scientists for the chemists for all those babum say or more test on bed you make me develop vaccine. Say I'm paying for can among from one in the ever helps home. Say you can no more. I tell you said they will be able to come out with some kind of concoction beer. Obi bia no be ya de we bi no obetimi asa ne ho yade. I know very well say if obinya cancer and diabetes and go bad, the doctors will tell you say you need any medication. What they can do is say ebi abribia wo pane say the beya obetimi sustain you. But truth to be told say I know so many local medication and ebetimi to diabetes and cancer to asie. I'm telling you etimi to asie. There are so many local medications that here among 4 baby ba omunya some malaria and some joint disease fever among van hospital baby but omunya good local medication omutimi ti apo and you know situations like this, you know, the government must see the importance of every individual. Because let me tell you interview be I'm say well is it as empire from an BBC we could saying the more no and I'm say another station be a miracle no more interview or more about I'm talking herbal doctors, you know, 2 herbal doctors and 1 orthodox doctor kahun. You know I say a buy every chemist for any scientist for any all that, you know. We draw doctors, you know, yeah, from one kahun. And I say see, we don't even respect our own. Adia there you nimpe face me nim Ghana happen you move or how when you're 17 years, 16 years or because of one could I say young son of draw on a top and I say ne mammy and you try have been I don't want to you know over 16 years and above that one cause I didn't be the young crab be draw no ya and one up to now some of us young I am sweating the day into the IBN says those that be drawn into me and yes nipa kom de na ya na hu hia pa yi nti wan fa mbra ntoto hu na wo ja obi bia so obi bia nya aduro pa amamfo betimi ayi aduro anyhow a obetimi anu na be mo yade that's okay but the idea is say before so betimi adi ba vaccine no omo processes am de fam wo nti de nti na before doctors no aban makwan na omo fa those things no na amamfo nim di omo wo no omo fa mbra I heard say Madagascar omanya some concoction bia omo se okeka bom na omo ye ade ni nyina ye de omo nyina ati apo nti de nti na aban no enhwehwe na Ghana ha so no omo nim aban no omo ntena se I mean the idea is say yes yen kase o obi bia nko ye aduro bia nkoton no ya de we ya aba no as say before ye de fa ye hunyansa say ebetimi aba say bibi besi asase we so a untimi ntukwan ko obi akuro so out to the point say wo sika na wo private jet mpa airport no ya close it down ti untimi ntunko baby de ban sa first the mpanyimfo eso mo ha say dwen ho say ei na bibia ye wo sika yi ya yare a na ya 2 milika na ya kwa buruchire na ya kosa ya ho yade e wo ma na ya ni nkan ya say o ya ko holidays na ya ko Dubai na ya ko whatever it is na ya ko ji ani sa bibi betimi asi asase we so even though wo sika de but wuntimi mpie sa dia o man na yetimu no yantutu ye no mayiye se eduru ba bi se wuntimi enko abonten ko sa ho yade a na wonti apa wo benya ba bi ama yetimi ahwe ho timi ato and the pandemic ya be young even though say there was so many bad implications there but ya be before Ghana for especially ye betimi anya suahu bi afirimu a at the end of the day no that benefit you more because we depend so much on import and it is a see and say import no enye so good na yentimi import no yemfa ya adwi mere fie na yen hu say den ye betimi akika bom wo ha ya yankasa ye betimi dia sustain ye ho. So what I'm saying is the government must sit down now who ni say biribi atwam yes obi ayare epilepsy na abibidru akika bom wo na ajai okay enya no nko a yes obi wo ho obi wo diabetes na abibidru akika bom na ne ho atono obi wo cancer obi wo kidney issue. I am telling you said there are so many local medications that yade ahodo a doctor for see entimunsa no etimunsa oko China oko India omonva omo bibidru enni agro oko India omo bibidru e fan Ayurveda Ayurveda ne say oko omo scripture no mo ye one scripture o ha e ka aduro nko ho asem haban ni nnua na eno ma be keka bo ma betimi asa yade so India for emfa ni agro oko China omo mfa o ma bi duro eni agro because omo nim say to me wo mu etimu sayade e na aban na agiatum to the point they say yes before so betting ya bi duro no as I say first sequence we mu e fa process we mu and say ya agiatum and it is working. This is see na we are sena do ba bi obi bia adwen ne ho say see as America fo ani abre no mo pe vasana office omo nya omo na baga na ha na e wa ba mo ko fo ewu office UK fo enya vasana they will leave their people there and come and give to Ghanaians. No, this is see na obi bia so ya hia obi a pe bibia bo ne ma no yen fa ya ha bi mere fie say sa dia abi na even doctor for no na ya omo ye no e no munya free. I am telling you about 90% of all the ingredients that omo yes omo do ni nyina no from nature. I have boom the free and I say opium be a dear ha and I be a cocaine plant be a dear. Those things in one or more to and say yeah drew I timody a cure idea. So on the credit said the cure is from nature. The cure is from nature. And as science when I translate who the way are your fucking no boom to no mana ya the say idea. So then tea and I yet quiet and you try your munchia, your was as a pa, you do have etumi ye. Na yamba ya didn't make fear say. Saban say me spending say maybe $100 million. I was say yampe abrofo bas and mra na man for developer. A bank should put about 300 million into our locals and not na yentim enya be able to support you. Say Madagascar for omatimi aye some natural concoction be almost a team support. But to be honest with you, yade we buy TNE, yade we buy among for me members. I have transformation for money bebre. Na the area what they say, almost frame me almost say, Jana, I don't know, manya bi oba almost say me situation no enya serious to say obi a me here ventilator and the entena fie. Na mo say aduro bi ani ho nti ta di ba make nyina omu nyina bi ani ho aban ma obi aduro omu say tenfie until say bedu ba bi na be chokiu na wontimi home no that's the time ambulance by then ebe for akonye sa dia stay home isolate yourself all of them no munya fra edi nkan ye member ba ko a owo Holland ne nyaaye do nyaaye no and quickly our friend sister Dorcas one of our executive members Holland. Or friend, I better say, eh? Oh, I drew it was, and I'll say, I'm so carrying pills or say, I. I'm so carrying liquid or say, I. I say, Miss Low, or me to America. Now, for because of what I remember who said, say, I really know, or Ben, I debate my to Capaco Siniquano. Not Mamma and Casa. I need to down a panel of a carrying pills in one tablet. Now I take 1 teaspoon, no one. 1 hour, no what did it. Every 3 to 4 hours, if I know the ginger, I don't know. I really want to know so. I am telling you, sir, just within 3 days, he was okay. 3 days, no, you're okay. And you know, our US, many people, you remember back on the penny back or US, your continental chairperson, if I know I'm a case. My body didn't because I know you're not a interview. I will say. Obi a friend from USA. Or so you are COVID-19 EB. Or Chefi. Besides, say, I drew Ben or no year within this period. Then what on no? A car urine pills and a car urine liquid in the bin. I say, Ginger, and no pen oil, he's okay. Tiramika, you, when you say beer, and answer, people are making, they are there. Your test to say, when you're positive, when you are really. After they went through this less than a week, they are all good. So what it means is say, Sa haban we hono bibi wo mu a bi a manfom ma dwen ko so. Na de how many say, che WHO omo ye nkrofo a omo na da wiase yakomudi nyina no. And the truth of the matter to be told is say, enye so ombe pese Africa ha ye betumi a develop vaccine. Nto ye den ye ma wo kwan. But you now where you are buying on as who say, me ma me nkrofo aya ade say ya ade. haban ewo ho menim nkrofo a omo rectum no omo ko private na yi ye fe no kokobo menim se wonim din na ye fe no kokobo ha kokobo o ko private na ne rectum no na ni nyina yi kesia pa de se omo jade apia chance. I know many people go to the hospital and say omo benya atu bia ma wa ye ba no wo nro sa na aduro bia na doctor de ma bia no e was side effect. Sai nru a ye ko hospital a omede mayen na paracetamol and away ni nyina was side effect. But all this local medication yam kula bremu ya no do the si wa anopa no afa cap no wasa ade ma nim tree no wanom 51 you are fine. See nyankopon e de ayaresa asha haban mu yanya before. We are very fortunate say you are close to nature. Our leaders should really sit down and think say then you bet to me ya benefit ya this time around. So what I'm saying is the importance of individuals within this period. Japan should understand it. Say tell the BN bet to me up nose mask. We don't need to depend on China as a China for and send a nose mask answer. Some few months ago, you can say Ghana for betting a nose mask and Kayan Tum, but I see I'm not going to say, oh, I'm quite home, baby, Anna. Yes, on my nose mask. I have some problem with them because if you know I'm permanent, the way I say, permanent. What I say, because nose mask, you know, as I say, 3 layers. They are one made on I say a filter. I didn't know, oh, Kasa, those droplets in carbon thing, and also Kasa, those droplets in this is how a nose mask should be. I know some people are doing it, but some of them so no need any guidelines to be or farm material biana nor the pump. For instance, and to my material now yes I colored ones and you're very good for a nose mask. You know why? Because I'm to my I printed clothes no a chemicals and yes I printed no and it's a chemical I want now and also the side effect. And it is a band of thing. No, Chenko for say a calico material and you bet Timothy Island. I yet your nose mask no. Now nose mask no. First and second no, a bet me I as a calico no. In between no, as a when you filter at the show. Now by the chair, now I am Pam Yadi and I ain't say independent say China for and yet nose mask as an Indian Yashe. The Nelco Chroma. Among for the Kentia, among for the all sort of materials, a ban should come out. Not on some regulations, remember. Say from today going, we are not going to import any facial mask again. Ghana for Mpam. You will tell us for Google how many Mpam. Face mask, they didn't design jeans. Jeans is rather a permanent potato to I'm going to now they are away. Ghana tell us for betting me. So the government should bring the money home. Says Ghana, they call invited, they call import from China, USA, Germany. The government must stop. Abandoning China, or just as Ghana Ghana for telephone. Young from Mount, the abandoned crab material number 5. Your new machines are betting you provide the Angasa, your calico material. Abandon should bring the material in. Among for M talk no money yet. Because see, South Asia mask here, but share, China, and you bet you. Yadia way now, like I said. Before say I deal with bed Jano, you are not Chenohono. They are called 23rd of September because that's what the star says. Okay? Because I'm going to because of Mazo by the end of April, by the end of this year. The enemy said before say be free or so. They say they are Sumagri. They are called 23rd of September. Yes, you better be a no lockdown, no days, but social distancing, all those things before say be free or you never check. And into a young guy. Now, person won't share any business. Be as here. Target the idea, babe. There are many things you can do. Something like all these hand sanitizers. When you're to be a 1 week now, son. And the idea you be here from now on to about better 3 years to come. Huh? Facial mask, you be here. To your guy now was so you invest in something. You should think very fast. The government must try as much as possible. So obey to me abua. Okay? Obey to me abua. Na Ghana Franca say obey to me. Aye bibia na ye ho. I am telling you say a more ye dey free food distribution no. I never knew say na Ghana hire more this personally I don't eat rice me pet. So be say fi o make I show me nim da me dimo I don't eat rice. Me dimo cuz me kondo I don't like rice. Rice is my favorite. But now no ya me koya na cooks na ya jollof no. Na me person me test who say I say I was surprised say Ghana mo this thing abuche mo. Now I say na Ghana ha mo we wa ha na aban engine to muma MG din adabi import mo bebe di fe abuche de be. Me say they make obi bia o he me. Opa menim emo no na menim ni di ferry say wo hwe me a saa emo na ma me ne de bae no obetimi asende me emo ni din a da me mboni di kokrom Ghana rice na konno bi wo fie wo bejai abofo muti me say emo no de wonu a bi yie eno yie it was very nice na say what na Ghana ha emu we wo ha na de ntina ye sore na ye ko to abofo mu tembia me ma say ondi foreign rice or the local rice and brown rice no di then say na lockdown bebe na ntamna na me say this say kono to mo no fagu also the local rice so my gen is they don't mean local rice what abo wo mtimi local rice ma do kra ni so and like I said I don't even take rice me in the house I don't remember the last time I be did more and you na say your food distribution me test here me need that be did more but after tasting this local rice you know what this rice is just too good. Why do we have to worry ourselves by importing rice when we have land a bit near Isaiah Moonway? And your mom said, Ghana, you are the papa. Now you deep perfume rice, and there are more perfume rice, nobody chemicals and qua. Now, see, I am say, you're paying for some of these things, you know. I'm buying a bit near because there are so many government institutions that I'm buying bit like I say. Mo de ade we na monto Ghana de Beatrice say I think the picture of the rice bag will help. I ferry me patcho mama me just 1 minute me say metimi anya mo bag some no see obi bia nko try Ghana rice you will be surprised. Me say amono somehow say this is rice and a man or mo no wan say na no a very good wo de we cha what the jollof what the no steam rice plain rice is good. So then I say hey na dey ntina emu we wo ha na ye Ghana for ye mo hu de romo obi an say Ghana rice si abuche die see me we aho na me we aho ne say abibi mam aduro nyankopon de amaye enua ye wo aya de ahodo a abrofu nrompo entimunsa ja menim doctor kora o say wasa obi owo cancer de o me no be bra no ya yo chemotherapy no we ya na still na ya jere cho ho but I am telling you say mo wa ha na medium tro how many people and na omo use car urine pills and no cancer just after a month o me come back no na ya ka cho mo say cancer no eni o mbodi ni bi how many people me say we will be our platform so you know how many people many but doctor say you near dro obi or cancer you near dro na you want empane na ko chemotherapy no you not painful adi ya no mo na mu all the time but local medication etimi cure but we are saying according to bi nsem adi bia na amfi o mo makwan nte we ya ban na wonya smart na wonya very thoughtful abasa obua wo man a now did you much here? Brana be mama ya bre. Se si e o pass am Madagascar for do omoke. O bon se WHO for omunji ntumu da. Because omunji tuma why never come mo se sika no mo di. Dey wo mo so enkofo bi I mean di bo vaccine. Na man for sika boom. Na la come do WHO no so yi bi de ko. And nti obi bia na obetimi nya ni easily no. Ya mpere. Me say the Americans am Madagascar for the true sam pass o manya here etimi bua do be for munji ntum na nse me say na say it's akwa FSC ko mo say na etimu e support immune system ni all that afeke me say o say den nse bebrebe abi before we are not ready to support ourselves and that's our problem check the atiani say So we import to ade fra brochie the bar. What you are doing is you are giving those people no adwuma o momo citizen adwuma mo maye. Yeah man say ope nose mask. Now also ope 1 million nose mask. Nti China provide them ra. China government na company na all provide amount. Obefa nkrofo adwuma mu na ma pam sa 1 million nose mask no. Sa nkrofo no mo nya adwuma o mo ye. And the aban would sika cause China for ma nose mask no. China for na wo pay adwuma ma o mo aye wo ho na wo nkrofo gu Ghana na de o mo ye kwa no de o mu di ede. So if Ghana for betimi aye nose mask aye was standard na ye good a then na ma Ghana for no nye na wo si abroche de ye nyimfiri. Hand sanitizer time na adene ba be sha ase ye me to bi 35 Ghana ewo aye achemata mo sa aye na wo ho no. But they saying pharmacy na watch mata more no. To akete 35 Ghana me to 6 because that have to give to people. Back up o. Ade ani get on 70 80 no me to 35 cities. Because obi anim say o ya close border ni na. Ebi mabi unti kaka e wo no ye miem. Ye ni piri ye no nya na kasapra ko no ne alomo bites no mo ye hand sanitizer. It means say ye betimi aye ba all this while no ye nya hu hie say yankasa you bet to an say bibi say yeah to the point that in ordinary matches yentimu nya ordinary dia yeri yesim e toothpick yentimu nya get e krafa aburuchire na ye fi groben so we say that the Madagascar help is similar to what you taught us. Okay, the idea is what I told you guys to do no e idea minim hwe abibiduro to me a woman no ahoni e woman no e chen abrofo nuro no because abrofo no mo de no mo ya no mo de chemicals e begugugu mu a enu ntino the side effect no kra ha bi sin cure na obenya no me say me ho ne say up to now ya yeti ho ya de ya nwinsen a ye hu de ya hu ye mpanyifo ne hu the importance say the human resource to know important thing to make good use of your people. And it is a nose masker. They tell us the seamstress no more Ghana Hanum. You need to engage them. Sikana be $100 million what they call Buchino for Sikana Matela for a seamstress idea. The only thing is the moment guidelines exactly what you're looking for. They will be able to do it for you. And necessity is a matter of all invention. It's true. I didn't know when no one free baby. Use your mind. Do it. Ubeti niaye. Say see who say hands and that's every day. To me important. Ghana yebi. Even the PP is requiring. Let's say some people are doing it. So what it means is all this while no. Now you beti niaye by ye Jimmy no. Ye nyadi say adi we yesika ye go abrochi no. Ye nya waha. The here say covenant mra na me ye call the and sunny hunyanza say these things we can do. We can. Why not? We can do it. Me say we can. Obi say the UK has imported PPEs from China. Not great news. Yes, and correct. And because the UK no US na import, but because almost say and normal here almost you omukrom ho na omutumi send the abranten. Ye Ghana ha ye normal buy ye wo ye cocoa ni gold ni bisa o say ahe na ye process wo Ghana hansa. Ye nya no raw na ye the call brochire ye process wo ho na ye say import ba Ghana ha. What they have to UK for them. Yes, you do by beer. Not tension about so you can go to your next neighbor get some help because also money be. Yeah, me say I said then you dey amount for. Is there anything we are actually producing here? Yeah, natural thing, a natural state you could cry in the call bruchide. Yeah, the call bruchide. Na I got the end here that Ghana ha. This is our problem. That is our problem. Huh? Your problem say I dey no you betimi aye ba ye you see UK for cry to me import what yes. Even America for Crumbonu or more import to ade. But because I won't say America for no more import to and no more export to no. Cabo de Hadi. kabere ha de to the point that no ma bie hia no ma nketen ye betumi aye no na ya gugu sika bum na ya de ko na beba nsa da bia ye sidi no end value kasa preko alomo bites adonko bites omo nyina ye hand sanitizer and no chiro say we have the capabilities, we can do it, but ye nyansa say ye betumi aye ntino ye nteki sa de yesi se yi COVID-19 no pandemic ni hu say here say some of these things no we must try and do it. Now say when we say boy be sa Veronica market ni be you was saying solar was we ya see you for 20 seconds. How many people will be counting 20 seconds? Or you need the answer. What don't that say? Oh, go on 20 seconds, but then soon a situation whereby the people have their brains here, but we are not trying to get them out. The Americans say, I be before you bet to me aye. But unfortunately, no, our leaders are not helping. To the point say even ordinary tin tomato. Ordinary tin tomatoes. Yentimu nye. This a couple kena. Ordinary tin tomato. See, my make can be binchilo. And that topic I make come as I want to say. The importance of individuals within this time. Obi biya hu here. They are buying for na adi merefi. China for, America for, UK for, Germany for. Omunya omo vasana. Enya adi omeja omo nkro for so omo de break Africa. We also for nyina ka omo sika abomu a omo so omo pe vasana ye no. Bisa won say Africa country be na odi support oko. Nti omunya they will first take care of their people. And I may say, we can get some medication from our hands, sir. It is possible. See, the argument fear. Said you say, hand sanitizer that be imported from China, or as what you buy, you say, I don't go be testing in there alone with the we don't understand. Said you say, now I say a facial mask and I say a clever which as what you buy a gun of phone and Pamua. It is not the best way because because of how ultimately used to sue and some of our time will be which is not good. But I'm telling you, sir, we can do it. They are buying from home. There should be some laws. Now amount for any year. The government can even make announcement say, yeah, person interest in it, tailor for I say 2,000. Now you're coming in the abominable beer, I buy a beer machine to work. More the answer won't come every day. The government can do that. The teller for near year and some one day among the people in a pump a South African worker creating. So government debate that's can I because like I'm saying, you've been here this facial mask for a very long time to come. And the abandoned arguing cohort says can I continue import those things in BM. I guess I cutting it down. We must stop importing facial masks to Ghana. Because our people can do it. What we can do is say, you need machines materials. We just have to import only the materials. Now, amount for Moha, amount for Juma, people can pay their taxes. I know which or Mutum Pono. Okay? And look at China. Say, see, Diana Homa, ding. They are buying emphasis come more, and share a Kuyajumum. Now, amount for any Kuyajuma. Because I didn't know. And yet, a few or craving, and the same ever by another burden. To me, who were the animal chroma, who bet to me as Portana Amawa foreign exchange. So the government should go into some of these things. No one will be here, tell a near or not, and quencher baby, a bag in the Wuniano. The government need to understand that you won't hear this time around because obey me from face mask back home, you mean, at me either as a good life. Abiancophobia or more yet. Hand sanitizers now be a moon here some time ago, but to see moon here, the government should bring them on board. And most importantly, herbal medicine for no amount for Munima Jumano, young more year to be, way. There are people in Ghana or Munim have Simuye, I'll make Timaki normal boomer, and I'm yet to me and do it to me a support to young for. The same way at Madagascar, I am telling you that China on. What I said. adrobe no mu isu ha de o matimi di abo o mu nkrofo a say yade na akofo mu ho no o mu help se no na bibidu na o mu nim. They will combine things together and make sure that they help their people. Oko India, they are doing the same thing. And it is a bit not to power. You must say Ghana Hana Yawan Crawford. They know some of these things. They should go ahead and do it. We will be Biana. Oh, any idea give it to me support. Bring it out. That buy no and some. Yeah, understand? I'm telling you, sir. Yeah, they will be free. Honey, who say, oh, you're planning a bit in your eye. And yes, a important free baby of you. May say, I dare see. Say, bet me benefit any continent, Africa. Because the total dependence on the Western world is too much. This is a situation when I bet you and say, the Westerners will always be there for us. They bet to be a young Jimmy Crown come home and go jumbo because say, or Mancasa no more brother singing. Sadia, young trying a young you ha. Said the Baya Bibinia, a young the other car one thing, a hair and a yen. Okay? And then my master Bahama you the American say every individual is very important, especially in this time. And the government must sit down and find out say yes, you won't grow form between your support to one over the other. Okay? So say I didn't quite echo anymore. I brought 3,000. I brought 3,000. Huh? I brought 3,000. Junior, why didn't say one won't buy home by own standings hand sanitizer no. Now, if you chef mask, and I'm holding you so more than 3,000 people positive cases in Yenya. So you are the around. And into what you're Musuye. You're Musuye now, Bano, and who says, can I push you out one thing? Too much. You have a scanning fee. Now, every young crop for 8 minutes idea make a year. Every other winning. Who will be able to fear that? You know what I'm talking about. So, we'll pay cable. Yeah, the wire fear, yeah, papa, a Ghana mate. If any cable metal, we will be able to fear that. Oko Krum now got cable metal, open metal, I see. A homa, the wire of fear. Ghana made no, a papa send the friend with children. By no boy, the amount for pet. They make a what I say. Say, me say, you big to me, the papa of Ghana. By our young course, until the SC should be a push. It should facilitate us. Now you say. There are many things we can do on our own. Because A, B, and A bedroom by Bino West as in the SCCA. Huh? A better West, a man of many then. This is a CA, man who say, and no baby, now, a crack now, you put a bit my water, tin tomatoes, any fruit juice, I got how caught a Kentampo area, mango pa, monfort, dear mango, and pro the asono. May I say, import mango juice about. Na obi ayabu kan mu no de abana ye to ye ko import no ye pa adwuma mama ye wo mu krom ho na Ghana ha amanfo adua bi wo ha elpro di machine a betimi achi mango emu nsu ne de agu ade mu ensem sa machine Ghana ye ntimu enfa bi ti ha na ordinary tin tomatoes keke wo hwi wa ye wo mu se ye na de gutrom kata so a ense no ye ntimi enye the American situation is African leaders must sit down and think. Says they are trying to benefit from this situation. And they say, Yentimun dependent on the Westerners all the time. In this situation, they are suffering more. And into no so I will say we need to set up. Especially now among for local medication, there are so many herbal doctors Omunro and air supporting Crawford. There are many people that Omunya Maria Omon Kodosto. They get well. Your crabs of money are slam no with so I'll be doing no more yes, there were so many fake local medication around, but government put two structures properly. Said they buy a month for no was an Indian. I'm buying China on this and Indian and on finding it supported before. They get a beyond a bit more dependent our bro. Like I said before, Men's America men's also that. Ebi wanya emergency bi accident bi asi ebe hia se ebo moja ka minim kwafo bi oni bi omunya accident omunyina na mubu ana ba ko omunyina de omko kolebu de akwa na ka kire wan se kolebu abetena se wodo na mabu de betena wan hwe ya ye dade e ba be hye wo na ye de hye mu wa na no dum na ndi biu ye mesen ko minim obi a obetima te kire na no so be yi ene e fa na ko ye man ba ko do ka se ne masi da bi ontra wa within 3 months, let me buy a little bit before. No, Nanti, all right. the alternate called the one, yet that day I said in any up to now on a stogus today. Obi na mabu, what about the hospital? Shia, baby binini, or Bayama, Nana Tenekama. What I'm saying is, emergency be saying nipa here instant blood. I see a body moja the CIA, Fanako, nipa na collapse or crime, so I said in the court. Now, so I want to one day getting don't waste your time by going to the hospital. See, get good local medication. The FDA for I get to say you do, but I'm not had here. One of them said there's no side effect, it will help you. Obi wa every day piano for me every day over the piano draw. And when I want to mean a was side effect. So I buy any meaning better say Ghana for doctor phone pain for baby what's on my area be drawn on offer because they know the repercussions are a what above room. Ghana paying for go parliament or many 60 years, 70 years above no or mumu wine on my area. Yan saw mu wadro malaria yan no nim tua mo man sa and all that. They remember. It means say those days in San wait me born man odru na. It means say it worked on you. So why are you guys not supporting? Say baby tinya na baba gidi. Eh? Sa abandon who shemu. I tell you say among for begiatum. Abandon who shemu. Among for begiatum. Bye Ava no wan shemu na obi ya o nya sika nya ne kese na afeso na amanfo fatie mu si we na nya na contaminated see abide no shemu Ghana ha there are many things they bit me ya e nya say be import of from buchi bi abusu ya medam ase say munya abehwe yen medam ase nya mo ya adem o kina ye be ko yi akra ko ye food distribution no say that be kan ye no Mondays ye no Wednesdays and ye no Fridays. Then saying you quite minimum crown 500 plates, nearly 500 drinks are coming. Like I said, the police for the police for Bautino, they're able to help the people. Now you about the social distance and we except when they pay the mom or mom will be every week and have to pay them. But yet don't call mom no go distribute. I mean, they are family people. You can't say they should go and distribute. You have to find something for them. So those who are supporting us and on Yango Ponchamo, you go so I crack me say Yadi Bidai. Until someone I don't have money or when we are unable to implement the social distance and never be a guy. But as it is now, it is okay, we are on it and we keep on doing it. But I must remember watching from two go, we will say you are cry, yes, I will food distribution. But I must say, I'm going to Asia and the baby soon as I open the base and I don't know me. We be able here, every individual is important within this time, and I hope say our government will see the need of bringing everybody on board. Say the yeah. Will be a talent to be a bit to me. I guess I talent to especially we trying to get medication a bit to me up. What my idea will be no be a bit to me. Madam, I say bye bye.